In this video, I want to show you how to access and log into our course timeline on Tiki-Toki. There are a number of ways to do this. I'm going to show you one of them. So if you click on coursework in our main Brightspace course, then click on content. This is, of course, where you will find all of the course content, all of the learning modules for each unit, including the overview and syllabus. So hopefully this is where you've started the course. As you scroll down, I apologize for anyone getting dizzy. You will see down here below, well, actually, there won't be a Unit 7 once I clean things up, but below Unit 6, you'll see Twitter, Hypothesis, and Timeline tutorials. So click there, and then click on Timeline. So in this submodule, you'll see this map and just a description of what this is. As you click into here, the first thing will be a link to our timeline on Tiki-Toki. So right here, this gives you the username and password that you'll use to access our timeline. Please don't create your own timeline. You don't need to create your own Tiki-Toki account for most of the work we're doing in class. The one exception is the extra credit timeline that comes at the very end of the semester, if that's something you want to do. So again, that's optional. But go ahead and remember to use this as your login credentials. If you click on this image in a new tab, it will open our course timeline. So when it all pops up, you'll see that same image that you clicked on there in Brightspace. You can click the X to get rid of that, and then you'll see things posted to the timeline. To log in, click the login button. It'll take you to this page where you may have to click login again, you may not, but then you just type in bmorgan19 and the capital HIST 2110 is the password. I already have them here because I've logged into this quite a few times. But again, remember, if you need that stuff, just go back to the other tab, and it's right here. Then click login. Sorry, my nose was wanting to sneeze. Once you get to this page, if you scroll down too far, it will make it look like you've hit a limit. There's nothing to do. Don't fret. Don't worry. Just scroll back up. Click on the words New Mexico History, and this will take you back to the timeline. So here it is again. You'll see what we just saw when you clicked on the link to get to our course timeline. Only this time you'll have access to this admin box. And when you click on this, it'll open up the ability to create a new story and do the work that you need to do on our timeline. In the other couple of videos that I've posted, I show you, what exactly to do over here to add your information to our course timeline. So please do watch those so that you'll get the gist of how Tiki-Toki works, how to add your information here, and how to make sure you're not accidentally stepping on anyone's toes. Because remember, we're all logging into and using the same timeline in our class. All right, I hope that helps. I will talk to you soon, and as always with everything, please let me know what questions you have.